Hey everybody, it's Taylor of Summerdell Soul here, showing you the finished product of exactly what I'm working on today with the help of some friends. I have removed the tub of Harley in order to eventually be replaced with this beautiful turquoise Exocet chassis. It is turquoise, not green. I will fight you. Well, to non-confrontationally hop right to it, you can see here that my roll bar was still attached to the tub, and we're going to have to remove those top bolts I just showed you, and they also connect right underneath that rear wheel well, which is always such a mouthful to say. You're probably going to want to have an open-ended wrench up top so you're actually not just spinning the bolt loose. I'll show you a little trick that I used before. Some of them will come off by themselves, but the last one always, of course, it's always the last one. We'll need a little assistance. I got lucky here that the difficult one allowed me to basically prop the wrench against the tub, so it kind of just held itself in place, which was nice. You'll have 3 more bolts right behind where the seat was, where it is no longer, and as you can imagine, the bolts lead exactly where you would think, once again, by the rear wheel well. Oh my god, I got hairy. Oh yeah, a few more behind the seat belts. Thanks, Trev.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I can't carry that.
You want to come try this side?
Maybe. Yeah, so no matter how much lifting I've been doing, it's still a car. So I recruited the help of a neighbor and oh, I'm about to watch something break. What was that? Oh no! Anyway, these boys were ready to roll faster than my camera was. I honestly thought this car was going to go careening into the AMG next door. Glad that wasn't the case. You guys are experts. Thanks again for all your help. Believe it or not, none of this is OSHA approved. But, you know, it gets the job done. Well, she's snug as a bug, and off she goes. She's off to a very glamorous lifestyle, and Trev's gonna take great care of her. And there you have it. The tub is separated. The next step is to attach all the clutch, brake, and fuel lines to the chassis before I can mount this on the actual power plant frame, but hopefully coming up soon. Thank you guys so much as always for watching and following along. I really appreciate it. I'm excited to show you how this comes together. The next few steps are really daunting, so keep an eye out. It might take a second, but I am going to drill into this chassis, and I'm probably going to throw up in my mouth a little bit. See you next time.